So, are you tired of seeing long YouTube videos and you want to just get the main content from it? So, now in this N8N workflow, we just have to copy the YouTube video and paste it in our N8N workflow, and the AI will automatically give you the result about the video, what the video is about, the resources, understanding of the video, the captions, and everything. So this AI agent is basically responsible for getting a YouTube URL video, extracting some content using the power of Google Gemini, and then passing the content to the AI agent which we have created, and storing the information in an Airtable. And once it's done, we get the whole information about the video in the full content. So let's get started. So before we start understanding the tutorial, you need to have your Airtable signed in, and you can use Notion, Airtable, Google Sheets, anything you want to, but specifically uh, I have used Airtable because of its ease and very uh, easy to use. Also, it's very fast and more reliable than other API platforms. So first of all, the first step we are going to accept is the form submission. So we have to create a form where a user is going to paste a YouTube URL, and it's very simple and straightforward. So you have to just create on form submission in N8N. You can do it by writing on form submission. You will write form, N8N form, and the N8N form will be uh, dragged and drop and executed. So on this form submission, you have to give some title, form title, what the title of the form is about, and a parameter of field name, some elements in which you have to paste your content. So here I am using a field name YouTube video URL, and sorry, the element type is text. So let's execute this step and see how our form looks like. So this is how our form basically looks like. All you have to do is simply paste the YouTube video URL, and this URL will be sent to the next node. So let's stop this node and jump to the next node. So this is basically an HTTP request node where we are sending a post request to Google Gemini endpoint to basically receive some headers from the form. In that, we have a body parameter to send those parameter to the next HTTP request here. So here in this HTTP request, we have a method of post, which is basically to send data, and the URL is here, which is the generative language model Gemini 2.5 Flash. So this is the API endpoint to hit the model and play around with the model and some content to the model. Then the authentication we will be using, it is a predefined credential type. You can type your credentials uh, using the Google Gemini Palm account, and in that you will have to paste some JSON. So uh, this JSON is predefined. You will get it from this N8N form template, and it's very easy to use it. All you have to do is just load the template and get started. So the next main thing is our AI agent. So we are using an AI agent to basically analyze the extracted content from the YouTube video and pass that extracted content to this AI agent to analyze, think what the content of the YouTube video is about. So for that, we have used the prompt user message, where we are passing the video URL and the video transcription uh, back from the HTTP request. So that transcription is coming from the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, and further uh, in one more step, the transcription is getting received to this AI agent. So once the in that the user message prompt, we have two parameters. One is the video URL and the second one is the video transcription. So once that is received to this AI agent inside the prompt user message, it will then perform a specific action based on the uh, two parameters, one in the video transcript and the second one is the URL. So we have given a system message to this AI agent that you are an AI agent specialized in creating blog articles that accompany YouTube videos to basically optimize and see what the content is about, and targeting professional educator creators. So you will receive two inputs, one is the video URL and one is the transcript, which I have shown you, and a reference document we have given, like how the template is going to be about and what important guardrails you are going to follow. So we have given the whole prompt here. We cannot just go through it uh, in the whole way, but we are just understanding what is it about. So I will share this prompt with you as the template is shared. So this AI agent will have a model, especially a large language model, to do the AI agentic thing, which is the Gemini 2.5 Flash. And once this step is executed, the content, the main idea of the video is going to be passed to this table, which is the output column. So once that, we will have a markdown. So basically we will have an output in the form of text, and we will convert that markdown to HTML to have a better UI in the next node, so that we can better see how the output is. So let's execute this workflow and see how our AI agent system is going to analyze YouTube videos. Let's execute this workflow. The first node will be the on-form submission, where we are going to paste our YouTube video. Let's take any video and let's paste this video. Let's paste the YouTube video URL and submit it. And now it is going to take some time depending upon the length of the YouTube video, how lengthy the video is. If the video is more lengthy and it has more content, so obviously the Google Gemini model is going to take some time. And if the video is less lengthy, it has a few minutes of length, then the AI model is going to take less time. So now it is analyzing and taking some time based on the content of the YouTube video, and the whole content is getting passed now through the Gemini model, where we are using the 2.5 Flash, and two models are being used, one for extracting the content and the second one is understanding the content, what the content is about, and how to betterly understand what the content consists of. So now the Gemini 2.5 Flash is getting executed. It is now overseeing and checking every line and understanding the concept of the YouTube video, what is it about, the content, uh, the information, useful information it has. And once it's done, it will now pass to the Airtable. Now it has been passed to the Airtable, and now we can see the Airtable over here. So the video was about generative AI explained, understanding large language models and their real world. This is just a simple few lines of output, but now we need to see the whole uh, understanding of the large language model, what it has analyzed based on the YouTube content. So we will click on this form and this will open up. On this form, we will have, let's execute this and let's see how the form looks like. So this was the YouTube video, and the video was about generative AI explained, understanding the large language models, what AI is about, and the stuff. So this whole workflow template analyzed the YouTube content step by step using the power of AI, and it gave us an awesome output based on the YouTube video. So you can create this workflow on your own, and also you can just drag and drop this workflow in your N8N by simply dragging the downloaded file attached in the video, and you will just paste it in your N8N workflow. So thank you very much, and in the next videos we will going to have more exciting N8N AI based projects. Thanks.